Hi, welcome back to Moose Chemistry. This video is on reaction stoichiometry, again, limit excessive reactants. This will be our third lesson, and we're doing like one problem per lesson to help us to start off with, so we don't take this information too quickly. Okay, so what we have given to us is carbon monoxide with hydrogen yields CH3OH. So the question is, which one is the limiting reactant? And which one is the excessive reactant? Okay, well, first of all, let's convert our reactants, the grams of each of the reactants, into moles of the reactants. So we have 20.0 grams of hydrogen times 1 mole of hydrogen divided by 2.02 grams of hydrogen. So our grams of hydrogen will cancel out, and that gives us an approximation of, say, 20 divided by 2.02. That gives me 9.90 moles of hydrogen. So this is what we have to start with. Okay. So now, that's what we have to begin with. Also, we need to check out our, grams of carbon monoxide. So we're given 94 grams of carbon monoxide times 1 mole of carbon monoxide divided by the molar mass of carbon monoxide, which was determined to be 28.01 grams of carbon monoxide. Okay, so now let's go ahead and divide those two together. And we get 94 divided by 28.01. And my calculator tells me that there's 3.35 moles of CO. Okay, now, so what we're going to do is we're going to take and figure out which one is our limited reactant, okay? So to do that, we are going to take what we know, and we're for our molar relationships, and we're going to convert them. Okay, so one moment while we check this out. After looking at the problem a little bit more closely, what we have decided to do is we're going to calculate using the moles of carbon monoxide. So I'm going to go 3.35 moles of CO. Okay, that's what we determined that we had when we had 94 grams times the mole ratio of carbon monoxide to hydrogen. So in our ratio, we have 1 mole of carbon monoxide to 2 moles of hydrogen. So we have 1 mole of CO over 2 moles of H2. Okay, when we do that, we're going to get that we need, 3.35 times 2 equals, we are going to need at least 6.7 moles of H2 in order for this reaction to occur. So now, when we went back and we looked how many moles that we had, notice that we had 9.09 moles of hydrogen. This is what we have initially with our 20 grams, right? This is what we need. We only need 6.7 moles of hydrogen, and we have 9.09 moles of hydrogen with our grams. So we have more hydrogen than we need. So that tells us that H2 is our excessive reactant. So if H2 is our excessive reactant, CO must be our limited reactant. Because remember that one is going to be excessive and one is going to be limited. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy this lesson today, and you guys have a snarly day, and we'll see you back at Moose Chemistry.